Guys, welcome to another video, and today's topic is going to be on creating variation for better sales rank. As you can see, guys, we are on listing creation page, and here you can search, you can find variation, and as you click on this options, you can get options for what type of variation you can create. For example, if you are in clothing, you can choose color variation, size variation, and if any other product, you can choose like color, display, length of the product. As you can see, Amazon provides you with a different type of option, and if for this ultrasonic pest repeller, I used to sell around pack of 1, pack of 2, pack of 4, and pack of 8, guys. So what I did was, in the past, I choose item package quantity, and what you have to do is, if your product consists of same like this, the example that I'm showing you, then what you have to do is you have to click. If your product consists of 1, then 1, then you have to come here, then 2, then you have to come here, 3, you have to sorry, not 3, 4, and 8. So, and if you have 4 variation, then you can put this one like in the example that show you, and you have to click on add variation, guys. And as you choose what type of variation you want to create with your product, you have to come down here, and what you have to do is, guys, you have to leave this column seller SKU. What happens is, you have to first choose your product type. You have to put UPC. One thing to keep in mind is that, guys, if you are creating variation, your one variation needs one barcode, one different barcode, guys. So you have to choose UPC as UPC. Then what you have to do is, you have to copy the barcode. As you can see, we have to copy the barcode that we purchased earlier from Barcode Mania, and as you know, we have already used this barcode, and what we have to do is, we have to copy this, its barcode, and we have to paste it here. As you can see, guys, each different variation needs different barcode. So as I showed you, you have to put a unique barcode. This is UPC barcode that we purchased, Barcode Mania, and what we have to do is, we have to leave this column blank. We have to put UPC barcode here. It's different variation, different barcodes, and what Amazon does is, they automatically turns your barcode into their SKU after you click save and finish. And when you create shipping plan and print item labels, as I mentioned you in my previous video, that SKU you have to give it to your supplier, and they will stick it in your product. Secondly, what you have to do is, you have to select all this condition as new, and as you can see, I have put all this new in here, and you have to set your price. For 1 pack, I have chosen $9.99, for 2 pack $14.99, for 4 pack $19.99, and for 8 pack $24.99. And in this quantity tab, you have to leave this remember, guys, you have to leave this button, this number at 0. You don't want to put any higher number, because we are not creating our shipping plan, so we have to leave this button on 0. And after finishing this, we have to click on save and finish, guys. And guys, lastly, let me show you one thing, that what I mean refer to seller SKU is, I will show you example. As this is our UPC barcode, and I told you Amazon will automatically turn it into seller SKU. And what seller SKU looks like is, guys, this is what seller SKU looks like. As this was my first product, and I'm just giving you example. When you create your shipping plan, and as I told you in my shipping plan video, that you have to send your supplier 2 types of barcodes. One is item labels, and another one is box labels. So this is item labels, guys. As you choose quantity, how many items label you want to print. If your quantity is around 100, then if you choose 100 items to print, then Amazon will download it in PDF file, and this is what seller SKU looks like. And this is the only barcode that you have to send it to your Amazon for pasting on your product. You won't be needing to send like a UPC barcode to stick it in your product. Only you have to send this barcode, guys, seller SKU. You have to only send, remember, you have to only send seller SKU, not UPC barcode, to your supplier. And this guys, this one will stick in one product. This one barcode will stick in one product. And I will be showing you another barcode of box label, guys. So guys, this is the box label. When you click on print box labels, Amazon will give you PDF file, and this PDF file is box label, guys. This will go this one box one label will go into one box. At the time I was shipping around 7 cartons of my products, so here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 box labels, guys. So each one will go into one carton, guys. So hope you guys got example on how box label looks like, and how you can create your product variation. So these are the only barcodes, this box label and that item labels are the only barcode that you have to send to your supplier.